Well, we have been talking about the big game all week. It's finally Friday, so we have a big weekend, and you need a good recipe.
Our resident football fan, Caitlin Francis, is here now with a recipe to make for your party. And there's very few ingredients. I'm a little worried. Is there enough to go around?
There's plenty to
Plenty to go around. All right, very good.
But I thought that we'd keep it simple, you know, like...
we love simplicity.
Yes, keep it simple. There's no need to, like, really stress yourself out. I do that enough when I'm watching football, so, like, if I'm cooking for the game...
You want to make sure it's nice and simple.
Yeah, there's no need to stress.
And this is, you know, a lot of this you might have in your pantry already. We've got some pepperoni, some cheese, some pizza sauce, and a crescent roll container.
Store-bought, and then you just throw it together, and
it's delicious.
And then you're like, oh, look, I made these myself.
Exactly. Well, you technically did.
Exactly. All right, so you want me to handle the crescent rolls? This is basically, they're pizza rolls. We're going to call them, Renee and I were talking about it when we were in break, the MV Pizza.
Ah, most valuable pizza.
Most valuable pizza. Okay, here.
Look at that.
All right.
Love it. See, she knows how to unwrap that thing like
That's
a pro.
always what scares Scott, the unwrapping.
Kara, do you want to handle this?
Just unwrap. So you just want it to be rolled out?
It, yep. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to cut it into, once you get everything laid out, into a big rectangle.
Okay.
Yep.
1 second. It's a little sticky just because our warm light's here. Okay.
So now it's kind of doing it for you. See how it's split down into the middle?
Yeah.
You're going to take it and cut it down the middle.
Cut right on the line?
Yep. And then you're going to cut it in half again. So
on the line?
Yep.
4 even pieces.
4 pieces.
Okay.
4 rectangles. Anyway.
4 rectangles.
All right, very good.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to, and then Scott, if you want to get in here, you can help too.
I'm good. I'm good watching. Yeah.
So we're just going to pinch them together to make them one big piece.
Okay. So there's a little perforation there you're getting rid of.
Yeah, we're just going to get rid of it.
Right.
And I mean, we just got crescent roll dough, but you can use whatever you got, pizza dough, biscuit dough, whatever. So then we're going to take our pizza sauce. We got a little spoon over there.
A little ragu pizza sauce.
Yeah, whatever you'd like.
Yeah.
And I mean, this is the beauty of this recipe. You want to do this?
Sure.
Okay, so take just a little bit and spread it all over.
A little bit on each one?
Yep, just a little
bit. Spread it all over?
Mm-hmm.
Like this?
And yeah.
Is that enough?
Sure.
More?
Nope, just a little. A little goes, yeah, perfect. And you can make these pizzas however you would like to. So if you like pepperoni, you can put pepperoni. If you like a little hamburger, you can put a little hamburger. If you like pesto instead of pizza sauce, you can make it with pesto. You can kind of, just change it up a little bit.
You could make it like fancy.
Make a little bechamel sauce and make it a white pizza, you know?
Wow.
You could do Nutella and make it chocolate.
Exactly, make it a dessert pizza.
Okay.
All right, so then we're gonna take...
Little Nutella and strawberries?
Wouldn't that be good?
That could be you. Pizza dough's 2 ways.
And then you
that's
could,
the finale.
But see, we have the big game on Sunday, and then we have Valentine's Day on Monday, so you can
use
have
the leftover dough, yeah.
for Valentine's Day. So we're gonna take our pepperoni and we're gonna put 6 pieces.
Okay.
I mean, you could put more if you wanted to.
All right, but 6 fits nicely. Then do you want me to put cheese on top?
Yep. So you have the bag of cheese is 2 cups.
Okay.
So be generous and evenly distribute. Even distribution of cheese among all 4 pieces.
You want to use the whole bag?
Basically, just
okay.
do
So
it
you don't have to worry about like too much and it oozing out or anything.
Yeah, no. I mean, I think you want the oozy cheese. Don't
Okay.
you?
I got a piece of plastic on my hand. I don't want that on my. I don't want that on my pizza.
No, you don't want plastic in your pizza.
Okay.
Very nice. See, you can do this.
I'm learning.
You're doing a great job.
So far, so good.
I like recipes that are just assembly.
Yeah, this is really terrific. What are you doing for the big game there, Caitlin?
So I think I'm definitely, my plan, because you were talking about this with Kara earlier, because we do go to sleep a little early.
Yeah.
Earlier than most people, I would say. So my plan is to at least watch the first half, catch the halftime show, and then see how the game is going.
Okay.
If it's really tight, I'll maybe stay up a little later than I should.
You'll be a little cranky on Monday.
Yeah,
Okay.
and you're the one who has to deal with me.
Absolutely. Weather and traffic on it with an attitude on Monday.
So no, I'll be peachy on camera.
All right, so what do we do next?
All right, so once the cheese is all together, everything is assembled, you roll it all up.
Oh, look at how cute.
Kind of just tuck it together there. Roll it up. And then what I did, because like Kara just mentioned, the dough kind of gets a little soft, and it is a little difficult to work with after a few minutes just because there's so much butter. It's a good problem to have. There's so much butter in it. So I throw it back in the refrigerator for just a few minutes before I do anything else.
You throw this back in the refrigerator.
Yep, just like this. And then I'll take the knife and cut it into 4 little pieces, 4 sections.
You don't cook them first and then cut them? You
Nope.
cut and then cook.
Cut and then cook.
Okay.
All right, and then you throw them in the oven, 375 for about 12 minutes.
And do we have a...
We do. Would you like to see some?
We would love to see
Now, did you need this spray at all, or you don't need it?
Oh, well, I mean, there's a lot of butter in there, so...
Okay, so you don't have to spray the tops or anything to get them brown, or okay.
Look at this. Looks pretty good. Yeah, this is, again, like it's like a simple, like less than 5 minutes here.
This is a good 5-minute recipe. It's like recipe of the week.
Pizza rolls.
Beautiful.
All right.
Ooh, yum, yum, yum. Are they too hot to eat right now, or they're okay?
Are they stuck?
Yeah, we should have put down the Cisco paper, but
That's okay.
Sorry.
it's all right.
Take it up. I did thoroughly spray the bottom of the pan, too. Sheba will attest to that.
You know what? They're still good. They probably just needed to cool a little bit or take them off, right?
Absolutely delicious.
So yummy.
Are they good?
Really good.
And
Kids
easy to
would love.
make.
Kids would love this.
So then what you can do with your leftover pizza sauce is just throw it in a bowl, and then you can dip.
Great idea.
Maybe top with some extra cheese.
Score. You just scored. You scored a touchdown.
Touchdown.
And a
Yep.
field goal.
Look at you.
All right.
All right, coming up.
Thanks, Kate.